How to change screen resolution and size in Windows 11. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change screen resolution and size in Windows 11. For this, click on the Start menu and select the gear icon. This should open up your settings. Once you're on your settings, click on the System option. Now from the left-hand side panel, you can find different options. Make sure that you select the Display one. Now here you have different display settings. Here, get to the Scale and Layout section. Here you will have the resolution option. Click on this drop down and select your preferred resolution. However, it is best to select the one which says recommended. So you want to select your resolution from here. After that, you can also change the size of text, app and other items. Here, click on this drop-down menu. You have 100% and 125%. However, 100% is recommended, so you can select that one. You can also click on the advanced scaling settings option and then fix scaling for apps from here. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.